putting this thing up. I got it. Wait.
Other side.
Other side? Will you please do it?
I will pull it out. And you.
I'm very hot, so I just put this on.
Ooh, looky. Whoa.
Where's that?
Look at this one.
Look at,
Oh
wait,
my. and the pink tag section,
Okay.
and so on.
Okay.
So now we must start setting up. Okay, where
so
are the price tags?
the blue. Hey, I dropped one Shopkins. Oh no, I didn't.
Shopkins, yeah, Shopkins. Do you see the price tags on the book?
Where?
The blue one?
Okay, so I have. Well,
You should have 4 of every
okay,
color.
on here. Okay, just stack them or
Yep.
pile them.
Stack them, pile them, whatever floats your boat. Is your boat floating now?
No. Yes, it is.
Oh, now it is. Okay. Moving on to
The pink.
pink.
Okay. Ah.
Shall I do the green?
No, I shall do it. Oh, look, match.
Matches. Matches. We have matchies. Cheese. La 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 la. I can't wait to play 'cause I'm so excited. Woohoo, woohoo. Wink, wink, winkety wink. Me too, I can't wait. Me neither.
You guys
Let's
can't
get this
even
show on a
see
roll.
me. You can't even. Oh, now you can.
Okay. Now we have set up part 2 complete. Okay, playing. The youngest player goes first. Would that be me or you? I forget.
Okay. Okay. Who is who?
On your turn, spin the spinner and move the number of spaces on the game board. So spin. Wait, we have to put our fellas. Oh, okay. I'm tape. I don't even get to be cheese.
No, I'm both of these, and you're both of those.
Oh, okay.
Where's start?
Start, finish.
Okay, so I'll put yours there too.
So we don't confuse our fans. I think we should each just be one person to start with.
Okay.
Okay?
And then we're gonna play another game with 2 of us.
Okay.
Alright, this is gonna be a pretty long video, guys. Okay, so youngest player goes first. I'll spin. I got.
We might have to separate it into 2 videos.
Ooh, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ooh, special space.
I
Color
landed on
price tag spaces. When you land on or about to pass one of the 4 colored price tag spaces, stop. Unless you already have a Shopkins color token with that color. Do you already have a Shopkins token with that color?
No, we don't
No.
have.
We don't have any. You are correct. Collect any one of the Shopkins colored tokens that are still there and stay on the space until your next turn. So, collect.
Juicy orange. And then go back on.
Okay. Players can only have one of each.
I just found a penny on the floor.
Lucky day. Players.
You guys think I was gonna eat my pennies like this?
Silly. Players can only have one of each Shopkins color token. If you end your turn on a price tag space for that color that you already have, simply wait there until your next turn. If you
Okay,
are
I think we know how to play, okay?
Wait, if you are passing a price tag space for a color that you already have, count that as a regular space and finish your move. Runaway cart spaces. Dun 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 dun.
Oh, run away! What if I get 3 next time?
I'll tell you what's going to happen. If you end your move on a runaway cart space, you must immediately move to any other runaway cart space. Your turn is now over. If you pass a price tag space while moving from one runaway cart space to another, you do not stop and collect a Shopkins color.
Mommy, so if you go here, then you can immediately go there.
Yes, but you don't win unless you have all of the colors. So if you go all the way over here, then you gotta go all the way around again.
Oh, that's so bad.
Yep.
So you might want to
Or there you are.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, but look, there's more. Stop. Spaces near the Sunday summits. Where are the Sunday summits?
Sunday
Sundays. Oh, right here. Stop. I guess these are the Sunday. It says stop, spin 4, 5, or 6 to cross. So that would be these little stops. See, this is the Sunday summit. See the Sunday?
Oh, yeah.
Sunday? Okay. Players must stop spaces near the Sunday summits. When you reach a stop space, your turn ends. If you start your turn on the first stop space, you must spin a 1, 2, or 3 to cross the blue price tag space. If you spin a 4, 5, or 6, you may not move. Ending and winning the game. As soon as you have one of each of the 4 Shopkins color tokens, start moving toward the finish line. The first player to get to the finish line with 4 different Shopkins color tokens wins. If you reach the finish line but don't have all of your Shopkins color tokens, count the finish line as 1 space and keep moving. Got it? Don't eat my cheese. Hey.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, I only got a 1. Your turn.
I hope I don't get a 3.
Ooh,
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your space.
good job.
This is so fun.
5. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
5.
Yay! I get the
Miss Mushy move. 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch places with another player.
Ooh.
So switch. Oh man.
But I think, wait. When you land, you're about to pass. Stop, unless you already select. Oh, yeah. So if you pass this, you get it.
You get what?
You get the yellow. Since you passed it, when you passed it, you still get it. Okay, so now did you switch places with me?
Oh.
Oh, now I have to pass yellow. So now I won't be able to get my yellow token.
No. Even if you pass.
No, because you switched with me, so I didn't go over him. I only get it if I went over him.
And you only got Miss Mushy move. Okay, my turn?
No, you just...
Oh, your turn?
Yes, thank you. Come on. Excuse me, that is a 5. 5.
Oh, that's a 5.
See, 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this.
Okay.
Six, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright. Spin for mommy.
Okay, I will.
Oh, you're gonna spin for me. Make it good.
2.
Doop, doop. Oh, wait. On my next turn, the only way for me to cross is I have to spin a 1, 2, or 3 to cross.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, switch again.
Switch. You're gonna switch with me again.
And I get Googie.
No. You only get 1 of each color.
Oh, okay. So, switch.
Now you don't get to move ahead until you roll. I mean, spin a 1, 2, or 3.
No.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, you get to pass.
Yes.
Ooh, and you get the blue token. Who'd you get?
Freezy Peasy.
Let's see. Oh, cute. My turn.
I'm definitely winning.
What do you think? Is that a 4 or 5?
4.
4?
I say 4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Woo! I at least passed the blue guy, so I picked the blue one. But runaway cat! I'm gonna run away all over again. I'm close to yellow because I didn't get my yellow one yet. My turn.
1.
1 is the loneliest number. My turn.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Who did I get? Ooh, who's this?
Googie. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you're safe.
I'm safe.
For now. Till the cart runs away again.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, my cart ran away.
Again?
Hello. I'm running your tail. be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh, she's done.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
I won.
You gotta make it all the way to the finish
I
line.
do.